Question 3. This is from the SAT number 9. This is the April 2017 practice test, QAS test, and let's jump in and solve it here. So we're starting with 3. It says, as used in lines 37 and 40, air most nearly means what? So let's go up to 37 and 40, and what we're going to do is kind of look and understand what do they mean, what does it mean in context, and basically what is a word that we could probably replace it with. So this says, once they were inside, they gave the pot, blah, blah, blah. There was no need, she said. Oh, really, she said. This is too much, she insisted, with the air of one who had just received the Kohinoor diamond as a birthday present. So, and then again, it's mentioned here, right? Basically, the Chodo Mama is acting with the air of someone who had just given the Kohinoor diamond as a birthday present. And so what the sentence is saying here is basically they're acting as if this just yogurt and sweetmeats is this wonderful thing, like this so valuable. It's like the Kohinoor diamond. So they're acting as if it's very important. They're making a bigger deal than it is. So they're insisting with the air. And so for me, what that means is it's almost like with the attitude of one who just received. So it's almost like they're pretending, right? So to have the air is basically this is your act, this is the persona, or this is the attitude that you're trying to convey. So we want to answer a choice that can kind of match that. So A says atmosphere, and I don't think atmosphere is really good. I don't think it's a good replacement for something like attitude, right? You insisted with the atmosphere of one who just received the Kohinoor diamond. That's not really how we use the atmosphere, either in the literal or the metaphorical sense, so I don't think it makes sense. B, absence. I also think absence just doesn't make sense. If you were to say, with the absence of someone who was just given, I don't even know how you would begin to understand that. So I would say get rid of that. C, demeanor. I think demeanor matches attitude pretty good, and it makes sense. She insisted with the demeanor of one who had just received the Kohinoor diamond, so that's how her demeanor, her attitude is. I think that's good. With the melody doesn't really make too much sense. I can't think of a metaphorical use for it. It would only have to be like actual music or actual melody, which doesn't make sense here, so let's get rid of D. And that's going to leave us with answer choice C, which is our correct answer for question number 3.